You can make a stove out of a ration can, using peanut butter as a fuel. This cooking trick could come in handy if the grid goes down. For the trick to work, the peanut butter needs to be primed. This could be insect repellent, petroleum jelly or something similar. The primer just needs to be flammable. Here I use flammable disinfectant. A small piece of paper is required to light the primed peanut butter. Three tablespoons of peanut butter will provide fire for at least half an hour. If you've found these or other survival tips helpful, then it's a good idea to capture them in a notebook. This notebook is made for just that purpose.